All right, here we are in checkpoint 2. We're going to measure acceleration, show you how that's done. We're only going to show you how to fill out the purple, blue, and pink columns now. We'll have a separate video for those last three. Now, the only column that's going to tell you how to change your lab setup, which I'll show you in a minute, is this orange column, position of B. Notice it says the position of B, which I'll tell you what that means, is 15, and then it changes. So if we look at our setup here, I have two of these laser timer gates, and the second one is at 15, which is this diamond you see here. If I move it, you can see here's 20, and every diamond would be 5. So I'm going to put that back, tighten it by moving this to the right, and now my gates are set as they should be. This is a timer. It should have the interval light on, A and B for now, because, back to our table, the first thing we want to do is have both A and B green lights on. So I'm going to move my car to the top. When I do that, you can see my timer starts. Well, I don't want it going yet, so I'm going to hit reset, so now it's at 0. I'm going to let my car go. It goes to the bottom, and now a time. That's how long it took that car to go from the first black photo gate to the second, 0.0782. So I go in here, my data table, 0.0782. Make sure you put that first decimal and the 0 both. All right, if we look at the next column here, it says light A is the only light on. So that's talking about here. Right now I have A and B. So if I press B, it goes off. I move my car to the top. Notice the timer changed, which I don't want. So I always have to hit reset when my car's at the top. I let my car go, and I got an answer, 0.0822. Go to my data, 0.0822. And the next thing is the B light only. Back to my timer. Turn A off, turn B on, put the car at the top. Make sure you hit reset because it should always start at 0. Let the car go, and there's our last number for that first row, 0.0616. All right, so first thing, we're just going to collect all the data, and those 3 columns are the only data we need for that setup. But if we look here, now we have to move the second gate only to the 20 centimeter mark. Here's 20. That means I need this to move down to here. So I turn it to the left to unscrew it a little, move it to the 20, tighten it, and then you're just going to repeat what we did. Remember, for this one, we're going to turn both lights A and B, make sure we reset before we let it go. When we get to this column, it says A only, and then the column after that was B only. Once you finish that, you're going to move the gate down to 25, repeat, keep moving the gate until it hits to 60, and then all those first 3 rows are done.